150 एड फिल्म्स और नीरजा और डियर जिंदगी और काफी सारे बड़े पिक्चर का हिस्सा भी रह चुके हैं. You are somebody who has also used your voice like in movies like Lion King and all, which are like iconic. Kids love it.
Voiceover actually happened in 2018. It happened way later than acting because I used to stutter as a kid. She took me for an audition for Lion King. It was my first project and I got selected in Sound and Vision India. So there the character I gave the audition for was Simba. And luckily I got selected, and then from there also, like acting, I started getting projects.
So you were Simba.
Yeah, I was young Simba, and then Aryan Khan played the bigger Simba. Working with them taught me a lot of things, not only about acting but also about life. John Abraham sir gave me really important advice that if you are doing acting, साथ ही आपको education का भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए, because there should always be backup.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of 4 PM Bollywood और मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट हर्षिता. हर एपिसोड में मैं लेकर आती हूँ एक नया सेलिब्रिटी. आज मेरे साथ कोई ऐसा है जो अपने फेस के लिए तो नोन है ही, लेकिन साथ ही साथ उन्होंने वॉइस ओवर्स भी दिए हुए हैं. 150 एड फिल्म्स और नीरजा और डियर जिंदगी और काफ़ी सारे बड़े पिक्चर का हिस्सा भी रह चुके हैं. So without further delay, introducing Arush Nand. Hi Arush, welcome to 4 PM Bollywood.
Thank you.
तो कैसे रहा ये सफ़र? You are just 14, I believe.
I just turned 15 2 months ago.
Just turned 15 2 months ago. तो इतनी कम उम्र में इतना ज़्यादा काम, शुरुआत कैसे हुई?
So, my mom took me to a mall a random day, and we saw a guy. He approached us and he gave my mom a card. And then she was like, but now he's too small. I was just 3 or 2 years old.
Oh.
And then coincidentally, the next year in the same mall, we met the same guy again.
ये कौन सा mall था?
I don't know. She told me the story.
Okay.
And that's how I started. So then he gave the same card again. My mom went home, kept the card in the cupboard, and she saw that there are 2 cards, they're same. So then she remembered that last year the same guy had approached us. So then she thought that we should do this, give it a chance, because I was a little older. So then we tried giving auditions, and then I did my first ad after 3-4 months of giving auditions.
Oh wow, that was quick. So which ad was this? Do you remember?
It was Dabur Honey or something. Yeah.
Dabur Honey. Okay. तो यहाँ से आपका एक्टिंग का सिलसिला स्टार्ट हुआ. So then how was it कि you started enjoying it or you wanted to become an actor? Because at 3 तो it's too young, but what was your thought process?
When I was a kid, I didn't know that much, but then when I went for the shoots, seeing the sport dada, asking him for chocolates, biscuits, that was fun for me at that time. Then interacting with director, but that time I was too young.
Correct.
This all later on when I became a little bit elder. Then I started having fun, talking to new people, learning new things about the craft. Yeah.
And जैसे कि shoot and all is a part of it, but then you were also a kid, so you had your school and all.
Yeah.
वो कैसे balance
My
किया?
school is very supportive of my talent. They helped me throughout my career, not like career, but now though it's just started. But yeah, they helped me throughout my journey, and they helped me balance school and academics with acting and other co-curricular activities.
And you are somebody who has also used your voice like in movies like Lion King and all, which are like iconic. Kids love it.
Yeah.
So acting, of course, like you're attractive and all, but how did the voiceover thing happen?
Voiceover actually happened in 2018. It happened way later than acting because I used to stutter as a kid. So then my mom wanted me to put for speech classes to clear that out. But then a friend suggested to her that you should try dubbing for him, because in dubbing you have to speak a lot of things, a lot of time.
Right.
Then she took me for an audition for Lion King. It was my first project, and I got selected in Sound and Vision India. So there the character I gave the audition for was Simba. And luckily I got selected, and then from there also, like acting, I started getting projects.
So you were Simba.
Yeah, I was young Simba, and then Aryan Khan played the bigger Simba.
Oh wow. Yeah. So I think you have quite a nice projects to already add your kitty. तो आपने जॉन अब्राहम एंड अ लॉट ऑफ A-listers के साथ भी काम किया है. How was that experience?
Working with them taught me a lot of things, not only about acting but also about life. John Abraham sir gave me really important advice that if you are doing acting, साथ ही आपको education का भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए, because there should always be backup if acting does not work out. Then I saw that all of them were focused, determined, and they were always grounded, no matter whether they were talking to the sport dada or the director. They showed me that if you show respect to others, people give respect to you indeed.
Right. And how was the experience with Alia in Dio Zindagi?
Yeah, it was very fun. I was like barely 7 or 6, and working with her was quite fun. Like, got photos with her, and yeah.
Yeah, so getting photos and all that, like you must be like the dude in the school. How is the female attention that you get, and how does your mom deal with it?
It's not that much. It's not that much. I mean, they keep asking me, who have you met recently, and then yeah, that's not that much. I mean,
But are you like teacher's favorite because you are also a head boy, I believe.
yeah, you can say I'm the teacher's favorite. Yeah.
So there's a lot of favoritism that goes. So does it always help you to get your way?
No, my school is not like that. It's not biased towards me. They show the same level of biasness to every student as well. They believe in equality, so not favored in that, like in marks and all that. I have to earn it on by myself.
Right. So marks की बात करते हैं तो how would you rate yourself as a student?
I top all the subjects.
You
Like,
top all the subjects. So how are you doing it? Like, do you have some magic wand or something?
no, I follow a timetable honestly. Like time management. That's very important for me because I go to the gym. I
You go to
study.
the gym also.
Yeah, recently, like since 1 year now.
Okay, so you go to the gym, you know how to manage the time, you excel in your studies and you're acting and you're earning. So I think you are just like your life is like accomplished.
Not really. Now though I'm still young.
Of course,
have to
that is
accomplish
there.
a lot of
But
things.
I think discipline is what
Yeah,
makes
discipline.
a person. I think that is something that you have. I think probably from your parents, it has got inculcated. What is it which is on your wish list? Like as a kid, like होता है ना
Wish
कि
list. In what sense?
like I want to buy this car, or if I become a little big, I will want to like
Maybe travel the world.
okay, you want
Every
to
place,
travel
yeah.
the world. And if there's one thing that somebody wants to bribe या कि आरुष को यार ये करवाना है, तो what is that one thing, like gifts देते हैं कभी parents, कभी कोई favorite जगह या खाना देते हैं, what is that one bribe thing that one can get?
Shoes maybe.
Oh, you're a sneakerhead.
Yeah.
And what's the current collection like?
I have like 20 pairs of shoes, sneakers. Yeah.
Wow, and plus your feet must be growing, so
I don't think so. I think they have stopped growing. But yeah,
I think like until 18, so
let's see.
let's see. Yeah. So you tell me, like from whatever projects you have worked on, what has been the closest to your heart? Like you just enjoyed that particular project.
That would be Tanaji.
Okay.
Because I had to learn sword fighting and horse riding, plus the costume when I used to wear that, I used to feel that I'm something. Like I had to play the character of Raiba, that was Tanaji, that was Ajay Devgan's son.
Right.
So that was very fun for me.
Funnily, a lot of people that I have met have worked with Ajay Devgan.
Yeah.
And how was your experience with him?
He's very disciplined, he comes on time, he does his work, interacts with people, and then he goes.
He's also a prankster, I've heard. In Golmaal, he used to play a lot of pranks. Have you been played upon?
Not by him, but by Kajal ma'am.
Really? What
Yeah.
was it?
So in one scene, Ajay Devgan sir had to pick me up on his shoulders. So before that scene was shot, it was going to be shot at like 10 a.m. or something in the morning. And then she asked me in Marathi that, did you eat breakfast? I said, yeah. I was like 8 years old. So I said, yeah. Then she was like, why? Now how will he pick you up? You're so heavy now. So I didn't understand if she was joking or no. Yeah, so that was quite funny.
Acha, so you got tensed.
Yeah,
Shit,
I
now
got
how will
tensed.
you pay?
Yeah.
So
And she
cute.
started laughing loudly and said that it's just a joke, calm down. Yeah, that was
Okay,
funny.
cute. So did you meet Naisa? Like, did they come on sets like their kids?
No,
They did
no.
not come.
I didn't meet.
So what is the difference, that you feel when you face the camera and when you do voiceovers? How different it is, because there you have to still feel the emotion without having somebody on the camera. So how different do you feel?
I would not say it's quite different, because the only difference is that in dubbing, there's no camera in front of me. I have to just use my voice to express the feelings, emotions. But in acting, the face is equally as important as the voice. So it's different in that sense.
Okay, but what is easier? I think voiceovers are slightly tough. I mean, from whatever I've heard.
For me, I think acting is easier.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, because you have a queue also coming
Yeah.
from anyone on your wish list that you want to work with.
In Hollywood or Bollywood?
Bollywood.
In Bollywood,
Who's Hollywood even? I
I
don't
would
know.
say Kartik Aaryan, I guess.
Oh, you like Kartik
Yeah.
Aaryan?
Recently, I started liking him.
How recent? Like,
Like 2 years since that Bul Bulaiya movie he did.
Aja, okay, so you're an actress?
I would say Alia Bhatt.
I think everyone likes Alia. Nobody from the newbies.
No.
You've done 150 ads. That's quite a lot. So how many A-listers have you worked with? Because usually it's the kid and the actor. So how many actors did you manage to?
Salman Khan, John Abraham, Shah Rukh Khan, then
किसी को नहीं छोड़ा, मतलब सबके साथ काम कर लिया, मतलब अब बचा क्या है? So tell me about Salman and Shah Rukh.
Salman sir was very welcoming. He hugged me and everything. He also gave the bracelets to everyone.
Oh wow.
His bracelet that he wears. Yeah. And
The blue color stone
yeah,
one.
blue color one. Yeah. Then Shah Rukh sir also. Shah Rukh sir was very professional.
Okay.
Just like Ajay Devgan sir.
So obviously Salman sir had more of a personal touch. So obviously favoritism वहाँ आ जाता है. एक स्कूल में कभी टीचर ने बोला है कि यार इसकी शूट होगी तो प्लीज हमें बुलाना, लाइक
ऐसे जोक करते हुए तो बोला
जोक,
है.
मतलब ऑब्वियसली जोक करना पड़ेगा ना, इतना सीरियसली बोलेंगे तो. या बट डू
बोला
यू
तो
गेट
है.
दैट?
या बचपन में बहुत बोला है.
अभी भी बचपन ही चल रहा है. बोले. सो देन हाउ डू यू रिएक्ट? लाइक आप घर पे जाके मम्मी को बोलते हो?
ऐसे या गिव माय मॉम अ कॉल, ही विल टेक यू एंड एवरीथिंग.
एंड देन व्हाट? कभी मम्मी के सामने कॉल आया है?
नहीं, ऐसा कॉल नहीं आया.
एंड बाकी योर मॉम्स फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स का कैसा रिएक्शन?
या cousins, then बुआ, auntie, everyone, they तो come only on the sets.
अच्छा, they come on the set. So do you get conscious when your family members are around while shooting?
No, that gives me more confidence during shoots, I think so.
Really?
Yeah.
Then that's great. And then what else? Like कितना अलग होता है एक normal बच्चा एक होता है, and you know with you coming with so much, how do you manage all of it? Because you have to stay grounded also, and then people become judgmental कि ओ इसने ये ऐड किया तो attitude दिखा, you know, that kind of a thing. So how do you keep yourself grounded?
Just like I said before, that if you respect others, they respect you.
Right.
You don't have to think that, oh, I have done so many ads, I have become big in life, I've become so successful, so that you can treat someone badly just because they are nowhere near to where you are in life. That's wrong, according to me. Because at the end of the day, we all have to go up, and when we go up, we don't go up with the things that we are wearing, like materialistic things. We
Right.
go. What matters is that how many people come to your funeral or something. How many people come to your
deep बातें
funeral.
कर रहा है ये.
Deep talks. Yeah.
Okay.
That's what matters, and that shows that how much respect have you earned in life of people.
You know, these days what matters is Instagram followers, very funnily. How much has that affected? Like, do you have an Instagram maintaining pressure?
No, I don't think so. I don't use that much of Instagram.
Because I think people of your age have got into like
I don't make reels
content.
and everything.
You don't make reels. And if given a chance, would you want to explore content creation and be an
Depends on
influencer?
what content creation it is.
You can use your sneakers, become a...
Yeah, maybe start vlogging or something.
Yeah. So do you intend to, if in future you get a chance?
Yeah, maybe next year onwards I will.
Next year. Okay. So now that I think you've turned 15, which means you're in your 10th standard.
Yeah.
So now your high school, college will start. Would you be continuing in the same school, or would you be going to a different college?
I'm not continuing in my school. I'm confused between joining ISC and HSC. So, yeah.
Okay. And what is the field that you would want to pursue? Like BMA?
No, now to in 11th grade you can't do all this. After 11th, 12th, I'm going to think of doing MBA or something, BBA plus, so that I can get help in my field only. But I'll take business studies and something like that.
Okay, business studies.
Yeah.
You're not like intending to do filmmaking or anything of the...
I've still not decided. I'm confused.
अच्छा चलो देखते हैं एक साल में क्या होता है. आई थिंक प्रॉबेबली. सो राइट नाउ बीइंग 10th, पढ़ाई का प्रेशर ज़्यादा होगा बिकॉज क्रूशियल ईयर होता है. how are you managing? You're also going to the gym and everything. So how are you dividing your time? What's your day like?
I get up in the morning. I go to school at 8:30.
What's your morning? 8:30. Okay.
Yeah. Then I come back at 3, 2:45, 3. Then I eat something. Then I have class. Then I go to the gym. Then I come home. Then maybe in the night I go for 1 hour or 2 hour to dubbing. Then I come back. Then I don't study that much when the exams are not there. When the exams are approaching, I start 1 or 2 months before and start studying.
तो लास्ट मिनट ये इम्पोर्टेंट है टीचर ने ये
Yeah,
बोला है
yeah,
वो वाला
yeah.
ओके सो यू नो यू गिव मी योर एंटायर स्केड्यूल बट ऑब्वियसली जब एक्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं यू हैव टू ऑल्सो वर्क ऑन द क्राफ्ट ऑडिशंस देने पड़ते हैं सो इफ देर इज समथिंग यू नो विच इज इम्पोर्टेंट देन हाउ डू यू काइंड ऑफ club in that in your daily routine?
After the pandemic, like before the pandemic, we don't have to go to the studio to give the audition. Nowadays it can be done through phones also, so that is one good thing which helps saving time. So yeah,
And who records everything for you?
my mom or my sister.
Wow. Oh, you have a sister also.
Yeah,
So how
younger
is your
sister.
equation? Oh, younger. Oh.
Yeah.
How's your equation with her?
Yeah, it's good only, like how
Even she's
yeah.
into acting?
Yeah, she's also into acting and voiceovers.
Oh wow. So it's like full family package coming in. That's so how old is she?
She's 12. She turned 13 in May, my bad.
Okay, it's not much of a difference. So do you all fight and like
Yeah,
the typical
everyone,
siblings?
yeah. They fight every day.
And if given a chance, have you all both been casted ever in the same project?
Yeah, we have actually.
Which was this?
It was a Hollywood movie called Funny Boy, which got nominated for Oscar as well.
Wow, so your film has already. What is it like? If you could just elaborate a little more.
It was about a gay boy, and it was about the Tamil rights. It was happening in Sri Lanka before
Okay.
the fights. It was done by Deepa Mehta ma'am. She was the director of the film.
And it went for Oscars as well.
So I played the character of Aji, who is the main lead. So I had a role about 45-50 minutes in the movie.
Wow, not
Yeah.
bad. Then what happened? Like it just got nominated there.
Yeah, but
Did
we
it,
did not win, sadly.
otherwise it would have been
Yeah.
everywhere. But I think getting nominated and you being the main lead, I think it's a very big achievement.
Yeah.
Is you know what is next? Like Oscar में भी चले. Do you like want like a film fair? What is your favorite go to? Like a national award or a film fair?
National award.
National award. Yeah. मतलब अभी से इतना. And do you also like you know think कि acting and all तो चल रहा है, but do you also intend to do modeling?
If I grow taller, then I will.
See, once you become known and you've also acted, then there is no height criteria. Na? Then it becomes like a celebrity
Yeah.
walking for it.
Yeah, that is one good thing because I'll get to wear clothes which I
Of
love
course,
wearing.
that you can still get stylists and everyone to go attend events. But I believe modeling, if you're doing for a brand, I don't think height is a criteria. Majorly, it's for the ramp.
The ramp walk, yeah.
And I'm sure you will. I mean, you're just 15,
Thank you.
going 15. So, I'm sure. Serious बातें तो हम बहुत कर रहे हैं. I think अभी we'll do a rapid fire.
Okay.
Okay. So Arush, let's begin with the rapid fire because any which ways your answers were rapid, but अब और rapid करते हैं.
Okay.
So your go-to snack on set,
Chips.
Simba or dog? Who's
Simba,
more fun?
Simba.
One actor you would love to work with.
Karthik Aaryan.
Dream director.
Om Raut sir.
Netflix or Disney?
Netflix.
Favorite dubbing studio treat.
Protein bar or coffee.
Line you've dubbed the most.
Go Garmach.
The emoji that describes you right now.
I would say the bicep emoji.
Okay. Homework or voiceover? What's tougher?
Homework.
If your voice had a superpower, what would it be?
Mind control through emotions.
Who's more strict, your dubbing director or school teacher?
School teacher.
Bollywood dance number you secretly groove to?
Since childhood, it has been Mallari from Bajirao Mastani.
Oh. A celebrity who gave you the best compliment?
Om Raut sir again.
Describe Arush in one word.
In one word. Interesting.
Arush the actor, Arush the voiceover artist, or Arush the son?
Arush the son.
That was a quick rapid fire. Lastly, anybody you know of your age who wants to pursue acting and also your fans, I'm sure you would have any message that you want to give.
I would say that you should show your skills on social media now that it is present. then you should go to auditions. Never say no to auditions, because you never know what audition will give you that click or boom
Correct.
from which you will keep on getting projects like how I did. And you should never give up. Stay motivated.
And also not ignore the business card if you get it in a mall.
Yeah.
So, anyways, it was a lovely conversation.
Same here.
The one of the fastest and the most wittiest one. So, thank you for coming.
Thank you. I had great fun.